Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a members area on Wix Studio. This feature allows you to create exclusive content for your site members, making it perfect for membership sites, online communities, or any platform where you want to offer protected content to registered users. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. To begin, go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu and click on Apps. This will cause an expanded menu to appear, showing you various options for managing your site's functionality. From this expanded menu, select App Market. This is where you'll find all the available integrations and add-ons that can enhance your Wix site. From here, you can see a list of apps readily available for integration into your website. Now, scroll down through the available options until you find the section labeled Wix Business Solutions. This section contains various business-focused tools and features specifically designed by Wix to help you manage and grow your online presence more effectively. Within the Wix Business Solutions section, you'll see several add-on features for Wix, most of which are free features that simply need enabling. Take a moment to locate the Wix Members Area option and click on it. This is the specific tool we need to create that exclusive members-only section on your site. You will now be directed to the Wix Members Area overview page. From here, I'd recommend scrolling down to read through the product's features and functions so you understand what capabilities you'll have access to. This helps you plan how you want to structure your members area. Once you're ready and have familiarized yourself with what's available, scroll back up and click on Add to Site. Keep in mind that you might see a different button here if the feature is already pre-installed on your site. In that case, the Add to Site button would be replaced by an Open button, which serves the same purpose of activating the feature. The installation will now start, and all you have to do is wait for it to complete. No authorization or access permission is required for this process, though this may vary depending on your user access level within the Wix account. The installation typically only takes a few moments, so you won't be waiting long. Once the installation is finished, you'll automatically be directed to the Wix Harmony page editor. This is where you'll be able to customize and manage your members area going forward. Now, to access your Wix members area and verify that everything has been set up correctly, click on the page drop-down menu and locate the members area from the left side menu. And there you have it, you've successfully added a Wix members area page to your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.